everyone, welcome to Hangzhou Dawnjoint live show. I'm the host Jenny. Today I will show you guys our new products in our showroom. Let me introduce Harry, the General Manager of Hangzhou Dawnjoint.
Hello, I'm Harry. Thank you, Jenny. Thanks join Hangzhou Dawnjoint live show.
As the General Manager of Hangzhou Dawnjoint, Harry served hundreds of customers overseas. He is very experienced in our products and knowledgeable about European and North American market. So, Harry, do you please introduce Hangzhou Dawnjoint for us?
Yes, Hangzhou Dawnjoint B&T Company Limited was established in 2004. Now, it's near 16 years old. We specialized in air bed, air mattress for car, air pillow, dry bag, swimming buoy, and other traveling and outdoor products. In our factory, we've got more than 15 original patents, 180 workers. We believe eco-friendly materials help us building a better world, and we actually make every single product with eco-friendly material. Like our slogan, enjoy life, enjoy nature. We believe our products will help more people enjoy life and nature.
Thank you, Harry. What products will you show us today?
We got about 10 items in our live showroom today. A twin size airbag with built-in pump, a full size airbag with external pump, a SUV air mattress. It's a pity we cannot park a car here to show you like this. An inflatable airplane multifunctional pillow, an inflatable footrest. These two products are for traveling, and we have another 5 products for you to enjoy nature: a dry bag, a football bucket, and 3 different designs of swimming safety buoys.
What's this, Harry? It's like looks like plenty of plastic films.
It's an airbag, full size, enough for 2 adults.
Wow, it's pretty small before inflation. We can store it easily.
Yes, it's also better for packing. The compact packaging helps save freight charge. Good for warehousing as well as express and Amazon delivery. Let me show you how to use it.
How to inflate this airbag?
This is a built-in pump, CE certificated, 150 watt power. It's very safe and with strong power. The wire and the plug handing into this box. Easy connection. This is a rotary switch. This is a inflation position. This is a deflated position. It's very simple to use.
Oh, that's great. We don't need to look around for the pump. Wire and the plug storage is also hard for me. Can I try this to inflate the airbag?
Of course.
Connect the power, then turn the switch to inflation. Oh, I can touch the strong airflow.
Let's start the time. seconds more. Okay, it's good. We can turn off the pump. Then we can connect the wire and the plug into the box.
Oh, what's this use of this plug?
It's a spade design. You can use an external pump to inflate the airbag when you don't have AC power.
Is this a pillow?
Yes, it's our unique design. You don't need to find more pillows when you use this airbag occasionally. Let me try this airbag.
Oh, it's very firm even you stand on it.
But yes, but please don't do this, because this bed is not for standing on. I just want to show you how strong it is.
It looks very comfortable and no clamps.
Yeah, the floor-clad surface is soft and breathable. Let me try this part.
Oh, We can see the airbag doesn't slant. Even Harry lying on the side. Can this airbag support 2 adults?
Yes, we'll show you. For author, this airbag could support 300 kilograms.
Wow, it's a very great airbag. If you have any questions, please contact us directly. Okay, we will deflate the airbag, right?
Yes, we just take out the plugs and turn the switch to the deflated position, and just wait about 3 minutes. Stop it. Let's collect the plugs and the wires. Plug and wires. and fold it up. It's very easy. You can take. Then you can put this into one box or take it by the handbag.
Okay, we noticed some questions from dear visitors. Okay, can you answer the questions, Harry?
Yeah.
Question 1. How heavy is this airbag?
With package for twin size, it's about 5 kilograms. For full size, it's about 6 kilograms. For queen size, it's about 8 kilograms.
Okay, next question. Question 2. How to clean this airbag?
It's very easy. Just clean it with water. It don't be damaged.
Okay, well. Question 3. What's the MOQ?
Normally, it's about 1,000 pieces. But during the Canton fair, we support small business with stocks. Best price and small MOQ. If you are interested in them, please contact with us as soon as possible. We are online.
Okay, thank you, Harry. Any other questions, please make an appointment or leave your message. You can visit our website for more information. Dawnjoint.com